everybody, Ms. Dietrich. We're looking at number 6. Rick took 320 free throws after practice. He made all but 15 of the free throws. What percent of the free throws did Rick make? Round to the nearest percent if necessary. All right, so whenever they ask for what's the percent, that means they want to know some number out of 100. And when we think about proportions, we have parts be on the top and the whole or all of it be on the bottom. So we have to kind of figure out the numbers that are in this problem. Where do they fit in this proportion? So if he took 320 free throws, that's the all of it number. That's all of the free throws. Now what makes this a little bit tricky is it said he made all but 15. So that's what he didn't make. Now they want to know the percent of free throws that he did make, not what he didn't make. So we need to subtract this number 15 from 320 to get how many that is. All right, if we take out our trusty calculator and we do 320 minus 15, which you should be able to do the algorithm for that, but you get 305. So that means he made 305 out of the 320. All right, so you have a couple options. One of the options is to go ahead and simplify this ratio. You might start by dividing by 5, but some people are looking at that, they're saying, I don't know if I want to divide that by 5. That would take a lot of time. When you have a calculator, you can just go ahead and press on with cross products. So what would that look like? If we take these two numbers and multiply them together, then we're talking about 305 being multiplied with 100. That's easy enough because all you have to do is write the number 305 and add the 2 zeros here. So that's the value or the product of this times this equals, and then we have this cross product, 320 times P. And when we solve, what's the opposite of multiply a variable by 320? It would be to divide it by 320. We'll take both sides of the equation and divide both sides by 320. All right, that cancels out, that cancels out. We're left with P. All right, now one of the things that I want to just give you a heads up on, it does say round to the nearest percent if necessary. So when you take out your calculator and put in this number here, this top number, which is 30,500, and you hit divided by this number, which is 320, and I'm not going to hit equals because I want you to do that, it may not work out evenly. So if it doesn't work out evenly, then you have to know how to round it. So look at that indicator number, it's going to, if it is a point something, and ask yourself, do I need to add 1 to the ones place? So just be careful when you divide this out. All right, good luck finishing this up.